Hello guys, it's your boy Asfact. So as you always know that every time I always give you guys gam banger. Every time I always give you guys gam banger. Okay. So in this video, I'll be discussing about trading psychology. I know you guys will be wondering that wow, this is the first time Asfact is talking about trading psychology. Yeah. I really know because most of my videos I always talk about my trading system, approach, my strategy to the market. But in today's video, I'll just be talking about trading psychology. And literally, most traders don't really know that trading strategy is the minimum, like the best, the lowest minimum in trading. They don't really know. Yeah. Is the best is the best minimum in trading strategy. But the other thing that will really help you and during your trading journey is how you manage your trading psychology. It cannot be eliminated. That's the thing. Let me tell you the fact, guys. It cannot be eliminated. It can only be managed. We are human beings, right? So don't listen to traders tell you guys that you can eliminate your emotion from trading. Can emotion be eliminated? Think about this. Yeah, that's the question to you guys. Yeah, think about it. Can emotion be eliminated? Okay, so without further ado, all right. So guys, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing, I'm clicking on my trading view because I have the written stuff about trading psychology. I have it written on my trading view. Okay, so and this also is to help all traders. Yeah, this trading psychology is to help traders. It's either you are a crypto trader, you are a forex trader, or you are a futures trader or a degen trader, any kind of any kind of assets you are trading. So this trading psychology applies to all traders. All right, so we're gonna be starting now, okay? Because I know this thing is going to be more educative for all traders. So either you are an intermediate or a beginner or an advanced trader, you need to watch this video. Yeah, I'm telling you need to watch videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe. It's down below there. Just click on the subscribe button and also turn on your notification because I'll be dropping more videos, more educative videos like this. Okay, guys. So we're gonna be starting now. All right, I'm actually waiting for the. Yeah, nice. Love it. Nice. Okay. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Trying to make it boot for you guys to see properly. Okay. Trying to make it boot for you guys to see properly. Alright. Sorry. Alright. Yeah, basically it's clear right now. So as you can see, guys, trading psychology is just talking about emotion. Yeah, we are all emotional being, right? So basically, as a trader, the first thing in this my trading psychology notes is having an edge. Yeah, it's talking about edge in the market. So when you're talking about edge, what does it mean, right? So edge basically means a trading methodology. Yeah, it basically means a trading methodology. So what I'm just saying is that as a trader, why did they call us traders? Why did they call us traders, right? They call us traders because we have a trading system. We have a trading system in the financial markets. So we have something called a methodology. So why am I making money? I'm making money due to my what? Due to my methodology. Yeah, due to my methodology in the market. Am I right? So having an edge is very, very important. So if you have an edge, as an upfront, if you have something called a methodology, it's going to what? It's really going to help you in a long way to manage your what? To manage your emotion. You are not going to be taking trades blindly because you have what? You have something called a methodology. Let's say, for example, now you open a market. Now, basically, you open a chart. So when you open that chart, you can't just open charts without having something you are looking out for. You understand? As a trader, as a professional trader, by the time you open the chart, you know what you are looking out for. Let's say my methodology is double top now. You know, double top is what? Is a pattern for a what? For a sell trade. So I'm looking out for a double top. So by the time, let's say I open an Euro USD, let's say I open Euro GBP, this pair, Euro GBP chart, and I'm looking out for a double top, and I didn't see double top. So what am I going to do? I'm going to close the chart and leave the market and find something else to do. Do you understand? So because I didn't see my edge. Because I didn't see my edge. And the importance of having an edge is that it's going to give you the patience of waiting. As a trader, you need to develop that skill. The patience of doing what? The patience of waiting for what? For your edge, for your setup. We also call it setup. The patience of waiting. So it's going to It's going to help you to develop the patience. You understand, as a trader, because you need it. You need the patience. Having that edge is going to give you the patience of waiting for that edge to form. Do you understand? It's going to give you the patience. So some traders used to be like, risk management come first. Risk management is the first thing. No. If you are good at risk management without having an edge, you are not a trader. You are just good at risk management. Fine. It's a great skill. Risk management is a great skill. But do you have an edge in the market? What are you looking out for? You don't have what you are looking out for, and you want to be taking a trade with a good risk management. That's a foul. Yeah, that's a foul. You are not a good trader, you're a bad trader. So you need to have an edge in the market. You need to develop an edge. Is that you are looking for all these chart patterns? Is that double top or double bottom? Or is that you are looking out for all these candlestick patterns? It's also an edge in the market. Do you understand? So that's the first thing. It's also going to help you to manage your emotion, because as you have the patience of waiting, it's going to calm you down. Do you understand? So that's the first thing, having an edge. So the second thing is risk management. I know you guys don't want to you don't really like listening to this word, risk management. I know a lot of traders if that's what, and basically let me tell you, that's an hard truth. It's an hard truth. Risk management is really an hard truth for traders nowadays. Like, seriously, they don't want to be listening to that word, risk management. So what does risk management mean? Risk management means that a predetermined risk. Yeah, it's a predetermined risk before taking a trade. Do you understand? Is what you are risking. Is what you are putting on the table before taking that trade. Is what you are setting aside for a trade before you taking that trade, before you clicking on that buy or clicking on that sell button. Do you understand? It's like you are predetermined. You are saying something up front before executing on a trade. Do you understand? Let's say I have $100 right now, so, and I'm okay risking having $100. Let's say I'm okay risking $10 per trade. Fine. It shows that that's what I'm okay losing. So risk management actually shows that you are okay losing this kind of amount of money. I hope you guys understand that I'm okay losing this amount of money. If I'm okay with that, fine, I can take the trade after seeing my edge in the market. After seeing my edge, so I need to have a set aside amount of money that I'm okay to lose. I'm okay to lose this money, so I can use that money to take trade. Do you understand? So risk management is very, very important. If you don't good at risk management, if you don't have a risk management plan, You are not a trader. So that's the second what? That's the second arsenal in your that's the second tool in your trading what? In your trading plan. To help your psychology, because it's going to help your psychology a lot. Let's say you are risking $50 and you are not okay with losing that $50. So you risking that $50, and let's say you lose that $50, it's going to affect you psychologically. I hope you guys know that it's going to really affect you psychologically. So that's the thing. Risk management is also very, very important. So the third thing, because those two things are the most important things in trading to help your psychology, having an edge, and also risk management. So the third thing is the mindset of holding running profits. Have what? As a profit, if you check out these profitable traders, you will definitely see that most of the money they make from trading is from the mindset of holding running profits. Yeah, most of the high profitable trades they have made in their life is from the mindset of holding running profits. So as a trader, you need to develop. I know it's not a thing that can that can be learned. You cannot learn it. Yeah, it's not anything that can be learned. You understand? Is an habit that can be developed. You can just develop it. You can just develop it. So you need to have that mindset of holding running profit. Some traders, let's say, they have predetermined everything. They have an edge. They have predetermined their risk management. Let's say a trader has an $100 account and is okay risking $20. Am I right? So, and his average risk to reward is 1 to 2. That's his average. That's the best risk to reward. Is the minimum. Is the best minimum of risk to reward, right? So let's say he took that trade and the trade is running in profit, but the trade has not reached 1 to 2. Let's say the trade reached 1 to 1. Do you understand? That's an average. 1 to 1. That's not good risk to reward. 1 to 2 is the best. Is the minimum. So when you reach that 1 to 1, let's say he risked $20 and is running in what? How much profit is that? That's $20 profits plus his capital. That's $40. So it was like, wow, this is cool. This is cool for now. $40. Let me close the trade. That's a bad mindset. You are not running in profit. Why are you why are you in haste of closing the trade? Since you have you have your risk management in down pack, that okay, I'm okay losing this $20. So why are you closing the trade? Leave the trade, let it run. Is that the trade eats your LCL or the trade eats your stop loss, your take profits? Why are you closing the trade? Closing that profit. You have your risk management down packed. So you shouldn't be in haste. You shouldn't have been checking the chart self. So that's what I used to tell my students. Have that mindset of holding running profit. Do you understand? And the other thing is that if you are taking a trade, don't stop looking at your MT4 or your MT5. Stop looking at it, because if you are looking at it, you are looking at the dollar value. Am I right? But you are not focusing on the percentage base. You are focusing on the dollar value, which is bad for a trader. It's very, very bad. Focusing on the dollar value. I think I'm supposed to put that part, but it's still part of that number 3. Stop focusing on that dollar value. Focus on the percentage. You are risking 20%. You are risking 20% of your accounts, right? So do you want to be using that 20% to make 20%, which is bad? If you use that 20% to make 40%, is okay. 20% to make 40% is okay, but you are risking 20% to make 20% again. It's a bad business idea. It's a bad business model. You understand? So focus more on percentage base rather than focusing on dollar value. So it's part of the mindset of holding running profit. So stick to it, develop the habits. Okay? So the last one is the mindset of cutting your losses short. So let's say now some traders now they are in profit. They've reached 1 to 7. 1 to 7 risk to reward. I think 1 to 7 is really okay. Even after reaching 1 to 2. you are good to close your trade because it has reached your what? It has reached your target on 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. But 1 to 7 is okay. Some traders, by the time they see the chart towards their reversing back towards their entry point, they leave the trade. They be like, okay, I believe that this trade is going to go back to my take profit. I believe it's going to go back to my take profit. They still leave the trade. Let's say the trade go into their stop loss area. It has reached like 50% of their stop loss before hitting their SL. They still have the mindset belief that, okay, this trade is still going to go to my take profit. This trade is definitely go to my take profit. Why? Since you have read the chart, you've read what the chart. That's why I always tell my student that always read the chart. Don't look at your MT4 or your MT5. Read the chart. You understand? Read the chart. So you have read the chart. You know that this trade will definitely hit my SA. It will definitely hit my SA since it has given me what? A strong momentum. Let's say you've taken a sell trade. It has given you a strong bullish momentum, showing that it will definitely reach your SL. So why are you keeping it? Why are you keeping it? So it's better to cut your losses short. It's better to close the trade than to leave it eating your SL, since you have known that this thing will definitely eat your SL. So it's part of trading psychology also. Do you understand? So I know this little knowledge I've actually shared to you guys will definitely help you in your trading journey. I'm damn serious about this. It will definitely help you. So don't forget to subscribe and also turn your notification bell, because you'll be receiving a lot of educative videos on trading, okay, on trading wise. Okay, so I'm imploring you guys, watch this video. Like, seriously, it will definitely really help you. So in my next video, I think I'm gonna be dropping like what I always be doing, my trading system. As you all know that my trading system is all about top-down analysis. So I'm gonna be dropping that next week. That's going to be I think pre-market analysis, right? So all right, guys. So this is going to be the stop for this video. All right, it's going to be the end for this video. So love, peace, tricks. All right, I'm signing out. Thank you, guys.